Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Tremendous card to PayPal. Now, depending on what type of account or where you create your account, the option to transfer money from your Tremendous card to Pupil can be kind of tricky or different. So, for example, if you are in Asian country or in Oceania, in Australia, you have the option to start adding your card. So the great thing about Pupil here is if you added a card into your Pupil account, you can actually use your PayPal account to use that card. So Pupil basically work like a middleman that provides payment for anything that you want to do. You just need to add your card, which is your Tremendous card here, into your Pupil account in order for you to start using it. So typically you just need to click on add card or bank option here, and from there you can click on link a credit card and just fill out the entire details that include the card number, expiration and the CVV. Now once you provide all the information here, you will now see your card or new card in here. So if you create your account in a different region, if the option to add money or transfer money into Pupil is available, you can go ahead and click on cash in option here. It can be in the wallet section or in the home page here. So just click on the cash or add cash option that you see on your screen. Just follow the on-screen steps and you should be good to go. But if you don't see that, unfortunately you won't be able to access it. But the great thing about Pupil here is you can just use your PayPal account and your PayPal account will automatically use your Tremendous card. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to transfer money from Tremendous card to PayPal. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.